This is Showcase EC, prepping the survival power on a budget. And this is I got dog food for the cannabis. I'll tell you exactly why I got them. Okay, first, smaller bag. So I put all this in. If that doesn't work, I have this one. Yeah. First, dog ball. Or pet ball. It is made in India. By the way, I'm pretty sure that will be, but this is for cooking, for boiling. Okay? And put some stuff in this, by the way. And then I got two or three things of candling. Flashlight. That is one. Okay. Cheapo flashlight. Yep. Light. Then, for more candling, let me see if I get all of this. That's all over. Yes, it is. I got yellow, green, I would say red. For water, also, this is water boiling also. Is it here? Yeah, it is. Plus, the puzzle pieces can be used for boating, vents, right? I did get super glue. You know exactly why. I got electrical tape. But you know what? Okay. Water collecting. Okay. I got, of course, loot bags. Yeah. I know if I'm gonna use these magnetics for anything, they could be good for something. I don't know if I'm using them, but you know, whatever. Right. Also for fire, yeah, got this. Because I have the matches I can put with it too. Okay. For cutting, also, I got one of these cheapo little knives. No matter. You'll do what I need to do. This is basically a backup to my main. For repairing and for whatever else. Duct tape. Do not worry. I did get food. Maybe next, actually. I decided to do, yeah, pistachios. I also have some walnuts I can put in there. Dried cranberries. Cool nuts. For tender making, clear chocolates. Why not? I got one. Should have 2 or 3 of these. I think about only 2 or 3. I can't do that. I think I only bought 2. Yeah. Bought 2 things of cordage. High vis for whatever. Okay. Now, for shelter. Of course. Treasure. For note-taking, fire tender, 3 cheapo $5. There's a bee right there. Now, I said that thing is for the multi-knife is for backup, right? I have this one, which I use. Pocket. For when I need, if I have to do a fishing kit, I have gloves, texture gloves like that, so I can use it, which, you know, right? And finally, if I have to evac, thing of safety goggles, and 2 4-packs of disposable masks. Yeah. Let's see if we can get this into the bag. Okay. That's not a good sign, but whatever. Won't be here for much. Let's get all this small stuff in here first. Food. And that. Right. Put it in here. Here's the outfit. This is the only backpack that I could find. This I can pretty much. Oh. What we do is I'm going to put 3 of these in here. Well, I could have put all of them just in case. I'm going to put 1 of each in here. It's small. Oh, there's 3 different colors. Good. Let's put the photo pop. Anyway, here you come with that, so it's pretty good. Now this is for the vehicle. You know, it's easier to do. Yeah. And that one back here. Good. And this is why we have this. And back up. we put this in here. Let's just put this corner in here. This thing hung up with the food. There's more, okay. There's probably some one of these in here. Yeah. Pretty packed, but it's okay. Let's take one of these out. A situational awareness, so it's okay. Oh yeah, I can do that. What I will do though, I will put one of these in here. And put the other one in your bag. Okay. Almost cut myself, did you see that? Put this. Either way, I can have it in the book bag. You know what, no, let's just put, let's get the food out. No, we should keep the food out. Okay. Yes, keep the food out. That's going to be easier to do. This is why we got another bag. Small bag, no. You know what I'm gonna do though? I'm not gonna use that bag, I'm gonna use the other one I have, so yeah. So you see. So yeah, all $1.25. Let's say my aunt got things like my aunt got the Peeps and the Dog Chocolate Wafer Rolls. It came out to $55.65. So so yeah, I hope you all like it. I do have enough food for a couple of days. Plus, yeah, I could easily do whatever. So, yeah. Anyway. Hope you all right. Peace.